Deep beneath the surface of the earth, where sunlight never reaches, there lived a man named Yusuf. Not famous, not educated, not powerful, just a miner, digging every day with tired hands and quiet faith. Yusuf's life had never been easy. The mine paid little, the work was dangerous, and the future felt uncertain. Each morning before entering the dark tunnels, he whispered the same prayer: God, just give me strength for today. Not wealth, not miracles, just strength. Day after day, Yusuf descended into the earth. Dust filled his lungs, sweat soaked his clothes, hope felt thinner than the air he breathed. Others mocked him. Faith won't feed your family, they said. Prayers don't change fate. Yusuf never argued. He only smiled and kept digging. One evening, after a long shift, Yusuf noticed something unusual, a small crack in the tunnel wall, barely visible, almost ignored. Something inside him whispered, "Look closer." He struck the wall once, then again. Nothing. Minimal disappointment. He was about to walk away when the tunnel trembled. Stones fell. Dust exploded into the air. When it settled, a faint glow remained. Hidden behind the rock was a vein of pure crystal, untouched, unseen, waiting. Yusuf fell to his knees, tears mixed with dust on his face. "Thank you," he whispered. "Even when I saw nothing, you were working." But the miracle didn't end there. Instead of claiming the discovery alone, Yusuf reported it honestly. The mine owners were shocked. The workers were silent. Yusuf was rewarded, not just with money, but with trust. Days later, he was offered a new role, safer, better paid. His life changed, not overnight, but forever. Yusuf never claimed faith made him rich. He said something else. Faith made me steady when nothing else was. And if you feel buried right now, surrounded by darkness, working with no reward in sight, remember this: sometimes God hides blessings where only patience can reach them. And faith isn't about seeing the light, it's about digging, even when you don't.